Hello children, good morning. Hope all of you are fine and enjoying. You remember what we did last class? In last class we had started talking about different structures. Are you sure we talked about structures? And in that session I had talked about two structures. So what are they? The two structures which we talked about last time. One was a natural structure which was an Inselberg, and second was a man-made structure which is present in India. So can you name it? Chaliye, I'll just revising and just tell you. Last time we had talked about two structures. One was a monolith which was present in Australia, Central Australia, and it was known as Ayers Rock or Uluru. Okay? And the second structure which we talked about was a man-made structure which is present in India in state of Karnataka and in Bijapur district. So we had talked about these structures. Now we will be talking about some other structures, new structures which are man-made structures but not present in India. So today the structures which we are talking about, both of the structures, they are present in United States of America or America. So let us get started. Now the first structure is Statue of Liberty. आपने सबने इसको सुना होगा, Statue of Liberty. Now where is the structure? What is the structure? What does it signify? We will be talking about all these things in this portion. Now Statue of Liberty, let us start with it. The Statue of Liberty, recognized as a universal symbol of freedom, is a metal sculpture on Liberty Island in the New York Harbor, USA. So it is a metal structure, ये आपको पता चल गया, and it is a symbol of liberty. It is a symbol of liberty made up of metal present on the Liberty Island in USA. It represents Libertas. What is Libertas? The Roman goddess of freedom, and is officially called as the liberty and lightening of the world. So it is basically, it is based on, it represents the Roman goddess of freedom, which is Libertas. So it is known as Liberty or the Statue of Liberty, and officially it is called as the liberty and lightening of the world. Now in one hand of the statue is a torch, and in other is a tablet on which the date of America's independence, July 4, 1776, is inscribed. So in two hands, in one hand the statue has a torch, and in second hand it has a tablet or a book like structure, and on that book like structure or tablet it is written July 4, 1776, which signifies, which is actually the Independence Day of USA. सो दोनों हाथों में एक में टॉर्च है और दूसरे में एक टैबलेट है. टैबलेट इज अ बुक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर ऑन विच July 4, 1776 is inscribed, and that is inscribed to signify the Independence Day of USA. Now it is popularly called, it is known as independent, it is inscribed the Lady Liberty, as it is popularly called, stand amongst the broken chain and shackles, symbolizing the freedom. तो इसको हम liberty, the Lady Liberty भी बोलते हैं, and popularly it is also known as Lady Liberty. And the our structure कैसा है? Stands amongst the broken chain. The lady is standing amongst the broken chain. नीचे टूटी फूटी chains दिखाई गई हैं, symbolizing the freedom. जैसे आप बेड़ियां तोड़ के या chains तोड़ के you are rising above those chains, and getting free from those chains which are binding you. So that is why it represents the freedom. In this form it represents the freedom. Now the seven spikes on the crown represent either the seven oceans or the seven continents. अगर आप डायग्राम ध्यान से देखें, these there are seven spikes or structures on the crown, which is not very clear whether they are representing the seven continents or the seven oceans globally. So the statue was designed by French sculptor Auguste Bartholdi and Gustave Eiffel. Okay? The structure was designed by Auguste Bartholdi and Gustave Eiffel in Paris. इसकी डिजाइनिंग कहाँ पर हुई है? It is designed in Paris. The iconic symbol of USA is 93-meter long from base to the torch and weighs around 204 metric tons. Very, very heavy structure. It is the iconic symbol of freedom in USA, and the total length is around 93-meter tall. It is 93 meters tall and weighs around 204 metric tons. The statue was reassembled on its pedestal in USA after being constructed in France. तो इसका क्या मतलब है? The statue was constructed in France and then it was handed over to USA where it was reassembled. Reassembling USA में हुई थी और उसके बाद इसको खड़ा किया गया था. The iconic statue was graciously given to America by France on October 28, 1886. अक्टूबर 28, 1886 को ऑफिशियली फ्रांस ने ये स्टैचू यूएसए को ऑफिशियली हैंड ओवर किया एंड इट वाज एक्सेप्टेड बाय 24th प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूएसए ग्रोवर क्लीवलैंड. तो 24th प्रेसिडेंट जो यूएसए के थे उस वक्त, ही वाज ग्रोवर क्लीवलैंड. This statue was handed over to the 24th president of USA, who was Grover Cleveland, and he accepted the statue from France. Now, approximately 4 million people visit the statue annually, and to reach up to the crown of the statue, which has 25 windows. So annually, around 4 million people they visit the statue, and also they reach up to the crown. Crown ऊपर का जो मुकुट है वहां तक जाते हैं, and which has 25 windows in it. तो दूर से शायद हमें वो स्टैचू में दिखता नहीं है, हमें स्टैचू जैसा लगता है, बट इट इज अ ह्यूज स्ट्रक्चर एंड इट मस्ट बी हैविंग स्टेयर्स. तभी लोग ऊपर जा रहे हैं एंड दे आर गोइंग टिल द crown which has 25 windows. The balcony around the torch was made inaccessible to visitors in 1916 due to the safety reasons. Earlier, before 1916, because it was installed in 1886, तो उसके बाद से बालकनी तक भी जो टॉर्च के चारों तरफ का एरिया, that is the open balcony, it was also open for the public, but after 1916 it was closed because of the safety concerns. Because इतना ऊंचा structure है, safety concerns रहते हैं. मान लीजिए somebody falls from that balcony, that is because after 1916 it was banned. Now, when the winds are high, this high-rise statue sways by about 7.5 centimeter, while the torch in the hand can sway by almost 13 centimeter. अगर हवाएं तेज होती हैं, if the winds are very very high, the statue it sways around, थोड़ा सा घूमना शुरू हो जाता है, हवा के साथ चला जाता है, and it sways around 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeters तक थोड़ा सा मूव कर जाता है हवा के साथ, and the torch can sway around 13 centimeters. torch तो बिल्कुल स्टैचू से अलग से ही हाथ पे है, तो उसमें ज्यादा मूवमेंट होती है, and it can sway around 13 centimeter from the main statue. So this was all. So let us see some interesting facts. So the statue has served as a lighthouse till March 1902, and could be seen from a distance of about 40 kilometers. इतना बड़ा, it is such a huge structure that you can see it from 50 kilometers away also. 40 kilometers away also. 40 किलोमीटर दूर से भी आप इस स्टैचू को देख सकते हैं. मतलब अगर आप न्यूयॉर्क, if you are entering New York and you are away 37-39 kilometers away from New York, then also you can easily see this statue. Now the statue has been believed to be hit by around 600 bolts of lightning every year since it was built. ऐसा माना जाता है lightning जब बरसात होती है, बारिश होती है, तो lightning के दौरान 600 volts तक every year it has to bear, but still it is intact and fine. So no more wear and tear in the statue. So this was all about the statue. Now we will move to question answers regarding to these. Now, what is the official name of the Statue of Liberty? It is given in your books. Liberty and Enlightening of the World. The official name is the Liberty and Enlightening of the World. When and by whom was the statue received from France? It was received on October 28, 1886 by the 24th President of USA, and he was Grover Cleveland. Now, mention the length and weight of the Statue of Liberty. It is around, this has been given in your books, 93 meters long, or from base to the topmost part, and around 204 metric tons. So these questions you can easily do from your books, do them in your notebooks. And now moving to the next structure, which is the Golden Gate Bridge. So Golden Gate Bridge. I will just share the picture with you. Chaliye, now our next structure which we are going to study is the Golden Gate Bridge. This is also present in USA. Now let us come to know about it. Now the Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most popular suspension bridges of the world. Suspension bridge is one of the most popular suspension bridges. Suspension bridges का मतलब क्या होता है? The one which is suspended by cables or by wires. ठीक है, वो सस्पेंड होता है, हवा में टंगा हुआ होता है with the help of cables. So it is one of the most popular suspension bridges in the world. It is believed to be the most photographed bridge in the world. और ऐसा माना जाता है this bridge is one of the most photographed bridge. The most photographed bridge in the world is the Golden Gate Bridge. Built over the Golden Gate Channel, it connects the city of San Francisco to Marin County. तो ये ब्रिज किस चीज को कनेक्ट करता है? सैन फ्रांसिस्को विच इज सिटी टू मैरीन काउंटी. काउंटी इज अ स्मॉल प्लेस, तो उनको ये गोल्डन गेट ब्रिज आपका सैन फ्रांसिस्को विच इज सिटी जिसको कहते हैं पोर्ट सिटी है, उसको मैरीन काउंटी से लिंक करता है with a total length of over 2737.4 meters and a width of 27.4 meters. So just imagine the length of the bridge. It is the one of the longest. I am not saying the longest. One of the longest suspension bridge. 2737.4 meters का मतलब क्या हो गया? It is more than 2 kilometers and 737.4 meters long bridge with a width of 27.4 meters. Okay. Now it had the honor of being the longest suspension bridge in the world from 1937 till the Verrazano Narrows Bridge was built in New York in 1964. 1964 तक जब तक न्यूयॉर्क में दूसरा ब्रिज नहीं बन गया, which is known as Verrazano Narrows Bridge. Again, New York, this is in San Francisco. तब तक this was the longest suspension bridge in the world. Now, Golden Gate Bridge, which is regarded as one of the modern world wonders by engineers, was designed by Joseph Strauss, whose original design was rejected. So initially the designer who has designed this bridge, उसने जब design present किया तो initially the design was rejected. It took Strauss 10 years to convince the authorities that his architectural plan was correct, while this marvelous piece of structural design took only 4 years to complete at the cost of 1.3 million USD. USD मतलब US dollar or American dollar. So initially the designer he took around 10 years to convince the authorities that this is perfect. This is a perfect architecture and it can be given to shape. हम इसको बना सकते हैं. He convinced the designer convinced the authorities, and it took around 10 years to authorities to get convinced. And once the authorities got convinced, then it took only 4 years for the completion of the bridge. 4 साल में ये bridge बना दिया गया था, but otherwise the convincing took around 10 years and the cost came was 1.3 million American dollars. The construction of the bridge began in 1933 and was inaugurated on May 27, 1937. May 27, 1937 को bridge was inaugurated. It took only 4 years to get completed. Now, Golden Gate Bridge consists of two main towers of concrete fixed at two ends with two massive steel cables inside them bearing the entire weight of the running traffic. सिर्फ आपके पास दो ही कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं. यू कैन सी दीज टू कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर्स. ये दो कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं. इसके अलावा देयर इज नो कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर एंड देयर आर केबल्स. देयर आर स्टील केबल्स इधर भी हैं आपके और नीचे भी केबल्स हैं विच आर नॉट क्लियर. The bridge is suspended with the help of steel cables and only two concrete pillars are there to support it. That is why it is the suspension bridge. ठीक है. Now each cable has 27,572 strands of wire inside and there is a total of 13,000 kilometer long wire in the two cables. दोनों cables जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं पैरेलली जो दोनों cables जा रही हैं, it has 13,000 kilometers of steel wire. सिर्फ इन्हीं cables में है. जो दूसरी cables हैं वो उनकी वो अलग हैं. This is the length of the cables, two cables which are major cables. Now the official color of the bridge is vermilion orange. Orangish color का है, known as the international orange. Vermilion orange is also known as international orange to maintain its visibility in thick fog of winters. Winters में बहुत ज़्यादा thick fog हो जाती है because underlying sea channel, water channel है आपका, वो flow कर रहा है. तो और फॉग के कारण विंटर्स में ताकि दूर से ही दिख पाए, विजिबिलिटी की कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, दैट इज व्हाई द ब्रिज हैज बीन गिवन द ऑरेंजिश कलर. इट इज पेंटेड ऑरेंज. इट इज एस्टिमेटेड दैट ओवर 40 मिलियन व्हीकल्स क्रॉस द ब्रिज एवरी ईयर. ऐसा माना जाता है कि अराउंड 40 मिलियन व्हीकल्स दे क्रॉस द ब्रिज एवरी ईयर. ठीक है. So you can see how amazing is the bridge. Now coming to the interesting facts, it has been featured in lot of films, books and television shows such as Superman and Dirty Harry. ठीक है. These are two movies, television show और movies हैं जिसमें Golden Gate Bridge दिखाया गया है. Now the second fact is that since its completion, the Golden Gate Bridge has been closed only thrice because of the bad weather conditions. Bad weather conditions के कारण जब से ये बना है 1937 से, तब से सिर्फ ये दो बार ही इस पे ये बंद हुआ है. That too because of the bad weather. ताकि accidents ना हो because it is like it is taken by many vehicles. So to avoid accidents because of bad weather, the bridge was closed only thrice since its inception. जब से ये ब्रिज बना है तब से सिर्फ 3 बार ही ये ब्रिज बंद हुआ है. अदरवाइज इट इज ओपन ऑल द टाइम 24/7 फॉर द पब्लिक. मतलब व्हीकल्स आराम से उसमें से क्रॉस करती हैं. तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द टू स्ट्रक्चर्स, मैसिव स्ट्रक्चर्स. one was Golden Gate Bridge and the other is Statue of Liberty. Both of these structures are present in USA or America. The first structure, Eiffel Tower, the first structure, Statue of Liberty, is present in New York, and the second structure, the Golden Gate Bridge, is present in San Francisco. So please do the questions. The questions are easy. You will be able to find all the answers from the book. Please maintain your notebooks and do your questions. And if you have any doubts, you can just ask the questions through WhatsApp. I will be answering those questions. So, but please try yourself. All these things, all these questions are easy, and all of you will be able to write the answers in your notebooks. But still, if you have doubts, then you can always come back to me. Thank you for this session. In next session, we will learn about some other structures. That is like we'll see what other structures. So stay healthy, stay safe. चलिए.